Hey, this is Dave from housebarons.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair a scratch in your engineered hardwood floor using each of these products. A while ago, working on another project, I had to move the couch, this section of couch, to bring another couch in. After I moved that couch section, I saw that the right leg had really marred this section of the floor. And so I got a few different scratch kits, and we're going to give them each a shot and see how they do. The three kinds of possible repairs that we have are, one is a colored marker. Basically you can get multiple markers of these in different colors to try to repair a floor like this. The other thing we got was this by Varathane, and basically it's a clear coat. So we're going to try this clear coat as well. And then Varathane also made a set of markers that have different colors, and this could be one of those ways in which you try to match the variety of colors within the wood floor. Now, these are engineered wood floors. This is a cross section of the floor, and you can see the layer of wood right there is about 3/16 of an inch, eighth inch to 3/16 of an inch thick. And so this top layer is all wood. Before we want to be messing with the actual floor, I got a piece of the original flooring, and I'm just going to scratch it up with some sandpaper. And that's actually worse than the scratch that we have. And what we're going to do is just try these individual markers and see how they do. The first one, this marker that's done by Minwax, and just try to see how that does. As you press down on this, then that's when the color comes out, and I'm just going over all of it. All right, so I put that Minwax marker on there, and then I'm just going to wipe it off. And I gotta say that did a really good job. The second one we're going to do is this Varathane. Basically, it's a clear coat marker. All right, so now with the Varathane, we're just like the other one, just going over it back and forth. Right, same thing. We'll go ahead and wipe that off then. That's the second one right there. All right, so I scratched it up a little bit more. Now we'll just I'm going to take the medium brown. Go with the scratches. That's what one of them was saying, so we'll go in the same direction. Okay. And then we'll wipe that off. And that one actually does color the wood. I mean, after I've wiped it off, that marker actually changes the color of the wood. And this would probably be better, and you can even see on the cover right there. They show it covering like a gouge. And I guess that would make more sense than these other two that seem to take care of the fine scratches. So I don't think we're going to go with that one, because these are fine scratches that we have. All right, so this is a look at the three that we've done. This was the first one, and it adds a little bit of color to the wood, but very slight, almost imperceptible. And then this one right here, this was the Varathane clear coat. This one here was the Varathane marker with the actual color in it, and you can see how that's changed the wood. So our choices would be between these two right here. Here's an angled view of both of them, and even the clear coat looks a little thin. With this one with the extra color to it, it really seemed to blend it back to normal. So I'd say the winner of these three would be the Minwax one, and so we're going to go ahead and use this Minwax for our correction of our floor. Okay, so we're using the wood finish stain marker from Minwax, and this one's golden oak. Now these scratches these scratches are going across the grain, and it says to use it with the direction of the grain. So we'll just do that. We'll follow the direction of the grain. And basically, we're just going to make sure all these get covered over. It's going back and forth.
And we're Amazon affiliates. We'll put a link in the description below to get this.
All right. Well, that looks amazing. Can't even tell that those scratches were there. Here's another scratch that was done by the other leg. And watch how fast this is. I mean, really, this is a super quick process. Probably all of 15 seconds. And then you wipe it off. And that's good as new. Amazing. After this is dried, I'd say, depending on the way the light hits it, you can still maybe see a little bit of it. I'd say it's probably 90% better than it was. Not 100%, but really, really good. So I'd say before it was very conspicuous, and now remarkably better. So this product is well worth it. Pretty inexpensive, under 10 bucks. That's well worth the money to get your floor looking back to new. Well, there you go. If you got anything out of it, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.